What's up, guys? Mark from Destiny here, and I'm knocking out a lot of these, like a lot of basic videos that I have. Let me look. What is this fucking video I wanted to do? Where to start with dropshipping. So I have over 800 videos on YouTube, and I'm way past starting an eBay dropshipping business. But I looked in the Honest Dropshippers group. That's a group I have a link in the description, and I saw someone post, "I want to start dropshipping, where to start?" So I figured I'll just make a video on where to start. Right now, a lot of the marketing online with Shopify, Amazon, eBay, that could be complicated. What's his name? Tyler and I, in a video, he mentioned that of those 3 platforms to dropship on, eBay is the easiest, Amazon, and then Shopify, right? So if you guys are just starting out and just trying to make some money, eBay is the place to be. If you're in the US, it makes it a lot easier. If you're in the US or Canada, it makes it a lot easier. If you're in the UK, you could do that on eBay UK. If you're in one of the other countries, with verified PayPal accounts, like Germany, most of Europe, you're still fine, like it's still possible. But if you're in like some of the like through the Caribbean, Central America, we have very limited PayPal accounts. But let's just say you're in Europe, Canada, and the US. If you want to get started dropshipping, you want to start with eBay, right? I have a link in the description with a free course. The process is, you decide on eBay. You don't want to go mess with anything else. If you want to go try it out and waste your time, have all means. But wrap around your head that you want to, if you have limited money, if you want to make money quickly, and you want to do it on a platform that approves dropshipping, eBay is the place you want to dropship on. Right, so that's the first thing. We narrow it down. You want to know if you need an eBay business or personal account. You don't need a business account. Once you have an eBay and PayPal account, you're fine. You do want to make sure you have a store. The store is $25 a month. It gives you like 250 free listings, and it reduces eBay's final fee from 10% to 9%. So you want to get this store. Now the next thing you have to figure out is what to fucking sell. Again, in the link there's a link to the training where I teach you guys how to snipe items. We're going to do some other courses going into more detail how to find items to sell. But yeah, I might do that. I might do that with Ryan. Anyway, so you want to find things to sell. You could use a sniper method. I have a link in the description. You could use optimization method. Becky's going to do that. And there are a number of different ways to make money and that type of stuff. But the main thing is, you want to get the basics together. Get your eBay account, get your PayPal account, get a store, and just start listing items. Don't worry too much about if they get the receipt, if customer service, returns. You want to just set up your eBay account, get the store set up, and just list. And even if you put in an hour or 2 hours on a daily basis, give it about a month and actually try, see if you get something sold, see if you, because a lot of people would look like, I know, because I put so many videos out, the road to starting an eBay dropshipping business might be a bit difficult, because it's not just me having 800 videos on YouTube, but there's a lot of people, like Jack puts videos out, Becky puts videos out, there's this dude Andreas, there's so many people putting out not just eBay dropshipping, but dropshipping videos that, like, it could be a bit confusing, right? But you just want to get the shit started. Again, don't get yourself tied up in Shopify and wasting money on ads. It might seem exciting, but it's not the first place to start. Don't get yourself tied up dropshipping on Amazon first, because you want to understand the whole dropshipping process. Amazon only pays you every 2 weeks, and you're going to need big lines of credit to get these items delivered, and then get paid. So eBay is your best bet to get started. It's pretty straightforward, and hopefully you guys take my advice and just go and get it done. So thank you guys for your time. Love you. Travel will make that money. Subscribe to my channel. Again, trying to get to 20,000 subs, and I think I'll stick that to the 3 videos because I didn't make any videos yesterday. But yeah, anyway, have a good one, guys. Later.